So while I was on holiday recording outdoors in a humid wet condition with my Sony RX100 V, my lens at some point just fogged up internally. It wasn't something that I could just wipe off. I believe moisture has trapped itself inside the lens while I was recording close up on hot foods, and maybe the outdoor weather has caused it too, as these cameras are not water resistant either. So the good old method I remember is by placing the camera inside a plastic zipper bag full of dry rice. This will draw out any moisture. Now I left the camera buried in the rice, sealed up and placed it inside the wardrobe. Left it overnight for about 8 hours. Took it out and gave it a clean with a cleaning wipe. And now the lens is back to normal, nice and clear, and back to making content. This method does work on smartphones too, as I have tried it in the past after dropping my phone in the pool. So if your device does come across this fault, try the cheap method first. Take care, peace.